Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who may be new here, my name is Priti. I'm a photographer based out of Manchester here in the UK. I also have a Etsy store and a few other stores online where I sell digital products and physical prints as well. Today's tutorial is going to be based on how to create mock-ups within Canva. This is going to be beneficial for you if you are selling photographer prints, digital products, even things like t-shirts and cups and mugs, etc. So be sure to check out the video and let me know what you think. If you think it is useful, feel free to share to any small business owners that may benefit from it. Leave any comments or questions down below too. I am more than happy to help as we go, and I hope you find it helps with you and your journey within your business. Here's the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll be back with more videos soon. Okay guys, so I have basically logged into my Canva account. I have created a new document and I've just selected 2500 by 2500 pixels. The only reason I've done this is because on Etsy specifically, they like a minimum size of 2500 by 2500. So I'm going to go ahead and show you a mock-up of a photography print. On my store, I'll just click through. These ones have just been created recently and I use Canva specifically for these mock-ups. Canva have an amazing catalogue actually of mock-ups, whether it's photography prints. They've got like a whole bunch of stuff with like, you know, t-shirts, digital product mock-ups, etc. But specifically for this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use a catalogue for prints, and I will run through a digital mock-up for you as well. So let's go back onto Canva. Here we are. So basically, once you've logged in, what you'll do is upload the image that you want to do a mock-up of. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and show you one of these Paris prints that I recently did. I'm going to click on elements, and what you're going to do at this point is search for what you're looking for. So in this scenario, I want a portrait frame mock-up. Just some keywords. Oh, didn't spell that right. Just some keywords of what you're looking for, and here we are. So anything with the crown next to it just means it's on the pro version. I do actually pay for mine monthly just because I use it so much. It is a great investment for my business, and I think it would be for you guys too if you are looking to make a lot of mock-ups. There are multiple ways of getting mock-ups. Canva is one of them. There is a website called Placeit, I believe. It's not something I've used. And then within Etsy itself, you can find a bunch of mock-ups as well, which are chargeable, of course. So it's up to you how you want to do that, really. So I'm going to go ahead and select this double print mock-up, and actually I feel like I used this one too. So what you do is you would select the mock-up that you love the look of and what you want to demonstrate to your target or target customer. I'm going to click on uploads where I have uploaded the images. These are all original prints, and all you're basically doing is aligning. So I'm just going to go ahead and zoom in and just make sure that it's aligned right into the frame there. What I love about Canva is just so intuitive and easy. I do have a background in Photoshop as well, but for this sort of work, it's just so much more convenient for me to just jump in, get this done within a few minutes, and it's good to go on my store. So I'm just going to do that. And that is basically our mock-up. Now, obviously, I mean, in this scenario, I would just click on share, download, and take it into Photoshop and trim these white edges off, basically. However, so if you trim it, it would look like this, essentially. So there would be no white frame around it, white border around it. But if you wanted to, you could add some text here. You could, you can play around with it and basically make it more visually appealing. You could use it like this if you feel like your target audience is going to work with them. But it's really simple. So that's just one demo. I'm going to click on add page, and I'm going to show you a digital product mock-up. So I'm just thinking which image would be the best one here. Let's go for, let me just do a quick search and see what they have for. Let's go for iMac mockup perhaps. And I want to have a look at the photos, not the graphics. And I'm going to select, which one do I like the look of? I don't know. I don't actually like any of these. Let's do iPad mockup pink. iMac, sorry, not iPad. Okay, for the sake of this one, I'm going to run with this image here. I quite like the look of that. And in my uploads, I have my digital products, which have already been uploaded as a JPEG file. And what I would do is, again, just select the image that you want to have in there. And you can just basically do that. I'm going to shift that up just so it kind of fits into there, like so. Again, this is just a quick mock-up, just to demonstrate to you how quick and easy it is to do. That's going to look completely different if I deleted it and put, say, for example, this image in there. And this is why it's so important to have mock-ups that you feel are going to work best for you and your customer, because like I say, this looks completely different to how it looked just before. And even then, if I just change this up, it looks really quite rubbish. So this is why it's so important that customers get to see different versions of your products, and they are so quick and easy to do over on Canva. And so it's really important to kind of research your product and how it's selling on Etsy. So for example, if I click on to my store, if I just type in like Paris print, straight away you see the results. And what I tend to do is just kind of note which ones I'm drawn to. So for example, this one jumps out to me because of the bright colours. Same for this one, it's really nicely done, it's very simple, it's clean, but it's the pink and the greens, etc., that jump out. Your black and white ones look great on this sort of neutral colour. Again, this one is very pinky, sort of like fall colours or winter colours. So it's really important to research and see what works for you. Make a list of like what you're attracted to, and by the end of it, you'll kind of gauge what's going to work for your shop. On my store personally, I have gone for a lot of like bright colours, especially going into like spring and summer here in the UK. I've changed this up a little bit to match that tone, the banner. And then on my landing page or on the home page of my store, it's very bright when the customer clicks onto it. So I've just, it really, you know, you can really gauge what's going to work for you and what isn't, just by doing some research. But also think about the brand colour palettes that you have on your store, or just your business in general, and kind of adapt it to your Etsy store and your digital products. I hope that has helped. If you guys have got any questions specifically about the mock-ups, etc., just leave a comment down below and I will get back to you if you need any help. I hope the tutorials helped. If it has, be sure to hit the subscribe button, and I'll be back with some new videos soon.